Yo, what's up guys? We are back here today with another quick Lightroom tutorial. In today's tutorial, we're going to show you how to watermark your photos to prevent theft or get more attention to your name when your photos get featured on the internet. So how are you going to watermark your photos in Lightroom? You're going to press Command-Shift-E, which would be Control-Shift-E on Windows computers. You're going to scroll down and check the watermark box if it isn't checked already. And it automatically defaults to simple copyright watermark, which you're going to want to change to edit watermark. And from here you can type in whatever you want, or you can upload a logo, and that's pretty much it. If you want to save 20% for a limited time on our website on all presets and hashtag products, you can use code YouTube20 to save 20% at checkout. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and comment below.